Welcome back. India's first solar company, Azure Power, has got listed on the New York Stock Exchange. That happened yesterday, but the response to that listing, however, was tepid. The company raised about $136 million through the listing and private placements, giving it a market cap of about $345 million. Azure Power is a 1,000-megawatt solar company which has a presence in states like Punjab, Rajasthan, Delhi. And we're delighted because we are joined by the director and CEO himself, Inderpreet Wadhwa, who was also featured on CNBC TV 18's flagship show on entrepreneurship, Young Turks. Hi, Inderpreet. Thanks very much for joining us here on India Business Hour. I mean, the response has been tepid, but give us a sense of how much you're looking to raise and what will this money be essentially used for?
Yeah, so we've raised about $136 million in the IPO and the concurrent private placement in the New York Stock Exchange. And we intend to use majority of the proceeds to continue the development of solar power plants in India.
So let's talk about the business profitability at this point. I mean, solar tariffs have been falling quite significantly. At current tariff levels, is your business profitable? And what's your future call on the direction of tariffs in India?
The tariffs, again, are a function of the cost structure for companies. And when you do talk about, the 4.36 tariff, the entire market in India is not at 4.36. You have differential tariffs for different auctions. And Azure Power does not have any 4 rupees 36 paisa contracts. Our contracts are, closer to 5 rupees today. And we believe they are quite economical given our cost of construction and cost of capital. We are able to make good returns on these projects.
Well, that's an important point there, Inderpreet. But talk to me a little bit also about the capacity, because how fast is Azure looking to ramp up the capacity? And are you also possibly looking at acquisitions going ahead?
So our primary focus is to develop new projects and grow organically. And we are targeting that we'll have 1,000 megawatts of operational solar capacity by end of next calendar year.
Inderpreet, curious question. You tap the US markets for money. Why didn't you IPO in India?
We've raised money all around the world, and you probably realize that solar is extremely capital intensive, and you want to be able to raise the lowest cost capital to be competitive in this industry. And as part of that plan and strategy, we had decided to list in the New York Stock Exchange. We also believe that the platform that we have developed in India can over time be replicated in other South Asian countries and parts of Africa. So having the company listed in New York gives us access to those markets quite efficiently.
Inderpreet, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for your time.